Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about frequency shift keying. In previous class we are discussing about amplitude shift keying. Today we are discussing about the operation of frequency shift keying. Frequency shift keying. Main object. Main object. The main object for frequency shift keying is used to convert the digital information is in the form of analog. Convert the digital information is in the form of analog. At the same time, it will changes the amplitude of the time intervals with respect to positive and negative signs. With respect to positive and negative signs. Next one is meaning. The frequency of carrier will be changes with respect to amplitude of the message signal. Meaning the frequency of carrier will changes with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. So here we don't know the meaning. We can't clearly observe from this line. When we are seeing waveforms and block diagrams, we can easily understanding the meaning of frequency shift keying. How to frequency of carrier will changes with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. Next one is FSK modulator. FSK modulator. This is the block diagram of FSK modulator. In FSK modulator is also input side we are applying two signals. First one is modulating signal and second one is carrier signal. First one is modulating signal and second one is carrier signal. The modulating and carrier signals are entering to the FSK modulator. FSK modulator. Input side we are applying two signals. One is modulating signal, that is indicates m0 of t, and the second one is carrier signal, that is indicates m1 of t. So the mixed signal m0 and m1 will be propagates through the FSK modulator. FSK modulator. Already we know the object and meaning. Already we know the object and meaning. The main object for FSK is used to convert the digital information into the analog information, and the meaning is the frequency of carrier will changes with respect to the amplitude of the message signal. Here FSK modulator is also do such type of objects and such type of things to convert the signals in different forms. Here output side we are seeing FSK is equal to mixed signal m0 of t cos omega t c0 of t plus m1 of t plus cos omega c1 of t. That means where cos is the angle of the wave. From the above diagram, we are input side applying to input signals m01, m0 of t and m1 of t, and output side we are getting combined FSK output. Already we are seeing from the above diagram. Next one is FSK waveforms. FSK waveforms. Already we know the object and meaning of FSK. The analog or the digital information is converted is in the form of analog. Here we are observing 1010. It is a digital code information. Digital code information. Here in the period of one interval, the frequency will be occupies maximum frequency. If the frequency is zero, the amplitude of the carrier of the amplitude will changes with respect to time. The amplitude of the carrier will changes with respect to time. So that means if the digital information is 1, at the situation the frequency is high. If the digital information is 0, the output waveform frequency is less compared to the previous. Why? Because the carrier of the signal will changes with respect to time. The carrier of frequency will changes with respect to time. So that's why we are observing the output waveforms will changes with respect to the input waveforms. The output waveforms will changes with respect to the input waveforms. Input signal is digital information, output signal is analog information. Input signal is digital information or message information, and output signal is analog information. Now we are once again seeing the main object. The main object for FSK modulator is convert digital information is in the form of analog. Here we are clearly observing the main object of the FSK. Here we are clearly observing the main object of the FSK. It will converts the amplitude of the carrier with respect to time, with respect to frequency at time. So this is the internal operation of FSK modulator. This is the internal operation of FSK modulator. FSK modulator. This is the operation of frequency shift keying. FSK modulation techniques, we are using mobile communications. FSK modulation techniques, we are using several techniques like mobile communication. In mobile communication, the analog digital information is converted is in the form of analog, and then after we are using analog to digital converter, we can easily convert the information is in the form of analog to digital. In any keying methods like ASK, FSK, PSK, DPSK, QPSK, any methods we are internally using several techniques or several converters like analog to digital or digital to analog or serial to parallel or parallel to serial, or microphones and earphones. Microphones and earphones. By using microphones, it will receive the analog information and it will be convert the information is in the form of analog. By using earphones, it will convert the information is in the form of analog, digital to analog. So In any electronic device, it will convert the information in different forms. So this is the overall process of frequency shift keying. Next we are seeing bandwidth and advantages and disadvantages of sorry advantages and disadvantages of frequency shift keying. Thank you.